Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Joy, a package engineer from Rainpace. Let's see what we have for today.
For organic superfoods, your packaging isn't just a container, it tells your brand's health story at first glance. Look at this design with a clear window. Perfect for items like tiger nuts or herbal teas. It lets consumers see the raw, natural purity before they buy. And for light-sensitive powders like raw cacao, our full craft pouch offers maximum light blocking and high barrier protection to keep antioxidant power fully active. Made with food-grade materials, precision tier notches, and a sturdy stand-up bottom, these pouches look premium on any shelf, whether with a window or full barrier. Customize your ultimate organic packaging with us today. Looking for the perfect packaging solution for your health brand? Contact us today to get your custom samples and free quote.